Hi everyone, Ishani from ARGOS Labs here. Today I'm going to show you something really cool. It is the automation of website performance monitoring. As usual, let's check our display settings. We want 1920 by 1080 in resolution and 100% in size. Okay, then let's get started. So here I have the website of Walmart. Did you know this website is generating almost $15 billion in revenue in 1 year? That means if the website is down for just 10 minutes, the revenue goes down by almost $300,000. That's a lot of money. So you really want to make sure that the website is not only running okay, but its performance is satisfactory to give all the visitors a very happy shopping experience. So what I will show you today is the world's easiest and fastest way to automate website performance monitoring for such high-valued services. Okay. So here I've already made the first part of this scenario. So in this action, the robot is just finding Chrome and opening it. And then in this action, we're just going to the Walmart top page here. That's it, very simple. Okay. So this verification right here is the most important operation in this scenario. This is the operation that makes the decision as to whether the website performance is fast enough or not by measuring how fast those high priority images on the web page appear on the screen. From this top page, let's assume that this search icon, the magnifying glass, is the critical image to show to the shoppers. So from this screenshot, we right-click here to crop the icon and give it 3 seconds, like right over here, to appear on the screen like so. Now over here, I have this send email action. So I've already specified all the settings here. And now in the subject, I'm going to put top page. And in the message body, I'll put OK. Good, so now the robot's going to send me this email when the service performance is good. Next, I need another send email action because I also want the robot to send me a message when the performance is not fast enough. So I'm just going to copy this send email action. But in the message body, I'm going to put not OK. Okay. And next, we're going to go back to this verification. We need to specify this part right here that says success and failure. This is where we set the conditional branching logic. When success, I just want the robot to move on to the next operation. So here it says move on. I'm just going to keep it the same. So when failure, we want it to jump to operation. So here we can specify the operation number we want it to jump to. So when it fails, we want it to jump to the email that says not okay. So in my case, that's operation number 11. So here I put 11. So these last 3 operations are the heart of your website performance monitoring automation. First, check the magnifying glass to show up within 3 seconds. And if yes, the robot will send me an email saying okay. And if not, it will send me an email saying not okay. Okay. We are almost ready to run it, but before I do this, let me add this end scenario action between these 2 emails. This completes the conditional branching logic. Okay, now let's run for test. Great, it ran well. And now I will check my email. And yep, here's the email from the robot saying that the top page was okay. Then if you have more than one page, which usually you do, you just have to copy these operations here to the next step. And you can do that over and over again. So even if you have 20 pages to monitor, it would be very easy to automate. I will show you one example. Let me load one scenario from my file. So this file is checking 5 different Walmart pages. So in step 1, we have the exact same scenario as we saw before. It's just checking the Walmart top page. In step 2, we're checking the easy order page of Walmart. In step 3, we're checking the create your account page. Step 4, we're checking the shopping cart page. And then in step 5, checking the weekly ads page. Note here, in this action helps clear the browser cache, so you can always monitor performance on the fresh first-time visitor. So let's take this for a test run. So here we're checking the top page. Okay, next we're moving on to the easy order. Now we're moving on to the account sign up page. Here's the shopping cart page. And then lastly, we have our local weekly ads page. Great, now I can check my email. And yep, I have 5 emails from the robot about each page. This scenario took me about half an hour to build, which I think is pretty amazing. Okay everyone, that's it for today. See you next time and happy automation!